Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start your business with Google Cloud, complete guide step by step clearly. To start your business with Google Cloud, begin by assessing your business needs and goals. Identify the specific services and tools that will support your business operations. Create a Google Cloud account by visiting the official Google Cloud website. Select the Get Started option, which will guide you through the sign-up process. Provide the required information, including your email address and company details. Once your account is created, access the Google Cloud Console. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available resources. Explore the various services offered, such as Compute Engine, Cloud Storage, and BigQuery. Choose the services that align with your business objectives. If you are unsure where to start, consider utilizing Google Cloud's free tier. The free tier provides limited access to several services at no cost, allowing for experimentation. Set up billing by linking a valid payment method to your Google Cloud account. This is essential for accessing paid services and getting support. Review the pricing details for each service to understand potential costs. Next, create a project within the Google Cloud Console. Projects help you organize resources and manage permissions effectively. Name your project and select a billing account if prompted. Continue by setting up the necessary resources associated with your project. For web development, consider creating a virtual machine using Compute Engine. For data storage, set up cloud storage to securely store your files. Make sure to configure any necessary permissions for team collaboration. Utilize Google Cloud documentation and tutorials to assist in your setup process. Attend online training sessions or webinars to enhance your knowledge of the platform. Consider leveraging Google Cloud's AI and machine learning services as your business scales. Integrate additional services, such as Cloud Functions or Kubernetes, as needed. Regularly monitor your usage and costs through the Google Cloud Console. Optimize your resources by adjusting settings or scaling down during low demand periods. Lastly, stay informed about new features and updates to leverage Google Cloud's offerings fully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.